to me just after you had her.
With all this noise, you think he's not guilty?
Now that trouble has come to Rooster, we have to find a way out. The best line of defense is attack. Sue everyone connected with this.
You have an alleged rape case against you, and all you can think about is Daniela?
It's because of such irresponsibility I take care of you, Mensa. Buddy, so even with money, but I guess men will always be the dogs that they are.
Listening to them, they keep defending Mensa every single chance they get. For once, you should do the right thing. You should stand up for what is right.
Think that the right thing to do is to sack him?
If you knew any better, you would know that we actually live in a world where women own empire. A world where women fight hard to achieve greater heights and not just have their father fix up a son who is not even man enough.
What do you need 200 insects for if you're not a thief?
I want your absolute love, and I would be your ticket to my father.
Young Daddy Joe is about being tossed in jail. The house that was confiscated by NDLEA, I want that house.
Fine, I'll be there. I won't let one idiot of a black sheep taint my name with his insanity.
You've got a price. I could write you a check right now. I mean, I'm giving you 2 fantastic offers. A beautiful woman and a chick.
Protect every bad thing in my life. Which that hustler who is sister.
I need your help, Adam.
I can't offer that help.
I know what it takes to work in shelterness. I know the rules and regulations.
I was young. My friends were mocking me like I wasn't man enough, so I wanted to prove them wrong.
And with one attempt, you did. You impregnated me. I want that one attempt again.
Fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa. Oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa. Oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We no like injection. No say Lisa, your face is hard like stone. That your needle big your J, it dey enter bone. You dey shine for white and white. Your uniform fine, but your injection was past disease. Your injection pain pass sickness. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa. Oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We don't like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa. Oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We no like injection. treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, your face is hot.
Hey, madam, when I waiting be this now?
The payment, of course.
15 naira from that hospital.
Hey! Withdraw that word, hospital, and say animal hospital. You hear me? When I used to work in the general hospital, I was so vibrant and performing well that even Eliza, you know Eliza, Queen Eliza, she gave me a medal from London. Because of jealousy, these villagers, these village people, they conspired and wrote petition against me that my injection was so painful. They transferred me from general hospital, where I used to treat human being like you, to a common two-bedroom, to a common two-bedroom veterinary hospital where I treat animals. And you're expecting me to be happy? It's not say. I will not give you any money again. Father
won't take consignment now. I'm not from this village. You know, consignment, I beg pay me my money.
If you know what is good for you, leave this place right now.
What is the problem? Now this woman, she no one give me my money. Say you go inject me with the animal injection.
Ah! You don't know her. She's not saying is that all you people are bogo.
Hey! Igede! Imu will not say Lisa Giga Bogo. Igede! Ina! Hey! Igede!
Eh? You can't
something you know nya paramaya enemy apa bushiri yo you know nya paramaya apa nye jama bushiri something you know nya paramaya enemy apa bushiri yo you know nya paramaya apa nye jama bushiri something you know nya paramaya apa bushiri yo you know nya paramaya apa nye jama bushiri something you know nya paramaya. Amamonye meze melo amnandira kariala awo bamsinga ngao makwanya nowa yemba mesenye ginelo yemba mesenye gonwe sarero wo
Wonder, see, we need to, in fact, I want us to apply one measure. That measure is going to be very, very helpful to us in this our DJ work. You understand? Let us not always wait for customers to come and look for us. Let us, for some time or sometimes, go and look for customers. Because you know that in this our village, there are many DJs in this village. Some of them are quack, and you know how quack they are. That is how quack their price can be. And if we keep waiting for customers to come and look for us, these people might decide to go and look for all these quacky DJs because their money is small. You understand? So we should apply this measure of going in time or even before time. You understand? So what we are going to be doing is when we get to the place, I will be on record. I'll be doing the mixing DJ thing, and you'll be doing the dancing.
That is what I love doing. That's my hobby.
Wonder! 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 You know, okay, Mama.
The woman that died?
The one that died. See, I will suggest that we get there before time. Let us get there before every other person will come. We'll go there, we sympathize with them, cry with them, you know. In fact, even cry more than the bereaved. You understand? Let it be like we are the one who cried most. I am sure that if okay see the way we cry over his mother's death, okay will decide to give us this work. Okay, this DJ work to do.
In other words, you want us to go there and apply in person?
Yeah, apply in person. Even cry more than the bereaved. Okay. Cry more than the person that the mother died. Okay will look at us. He will not be sympathizing with us. Instead of we sympathizing, he will sympathize with us. Okay. And say, okay, I'm offering you people this DJ work. Okay. How much are you going to charge? You understand? Wonderly. Man, Wonder. That's what we're going to do. See, we should change into a better regalia. Because you know the way we are dressing now, very corporate. If we go there now, they'll say, they don't know the intention we came with.
I was even about saying that, you know. I was wondering how we could go there with
the crossing belt.
This, you know, it's somehow.
It looks somehow.
Because
I have come to know that the way you dress to a burial, that's how they serve you food. If you dress gorgeously, they give you gorgeous food, which is one plate, because you are a charmer. If you dress gently, they give you gentle food. Yes. One plate. I know one plate is for gentlemen. But if you dress like people who go to burial, one thing they one new food, one new
drink, eat until you are tired.
I am telling you.
Drink, eat food.
What you're going to do, you go to your house and change. Okay. While I go and change. You understand? So go and change.
I'll be fast about it.
Be very fast before another person.
I'll be fast about it.
Before us.
Papa, my friend. Do you know you finished me? Every day I wish to be like you. You're not just beautiful, but you're a girl that have the swag like a man. A girl that knows English and swag at the back of her palm. Babe, I envy you.
Nah, forget that thing. Make I tell you like this when I dare. In this life, I want to do extraordinary things. You see all those kind of things where people say men they do. Now I want they do. So they carry, they drive tipper, they carry people for inside motor. Anything, just think of anything where man they do, I go do them. Should be you think say I won't go to marry now, go sit down for inside kitchen, they answer housewife. You know they possible. I dey tell you, as he day like this now, here say Mazibe in driver, he just sack in driver. So now I won't go follow and talk. Make I know whether I go feel leasing car give me. So I go feel they use and they run my package now. I don't understand.
Bobby, wait. When you learn how to drive?
The same way I take learn my swag now. Now the same way I take learn how to drive now. I don't understand.
But do you know in this our village, there's only one woman that was able to ride the bicycle. The wife of Ndi Abuchi. And now you want to drive a car. Panka, I envy you.
I know what you do try talk. I know. As it be like this now. If I begin to do all those kinds of things, I no go marry person who no get sense. I will marry person who still get the same swag like me. I bet more go meet Mazibe before they carry that motor to give another person.
Baby Opanka, my wife to be.
Who's your wife?
Of course you now.
You must be a dreamer.
No.
The dreamer.
See, let me tell you, you know, in this village, I am the most happening guy in this village. Yes, one of the most happening DJ. In fact, one and only happening DJ. And you know, you are the biggest girl in town. Yes. You know, and big boys come to big girls, and big boys acquire. I love that. So I have come to tell you that I love you. And you are my wife. Yes. So relax yourself. Let us, you know, tangle and mingle.
What can't be all this one now?
No,
what big boss at the big quick. What happened? They want to sing. What sense? See you all out.
Atoma.
No,
Opanka is proving tough. When other girls are begging you as the biggest boy in this home.
I am happy you know that other girls are begging me in this our village. So whatever thing I give to Opanka is out of my reserve. You understand? Opanka. All these things she's doing is what they call IGG, initial grakara. She's just doing because she thinks she's beautiful. Let me tell you. By this time tomorrow, come to my house. This girl is on my bed. You understand?
Just allow me to
talk. Very soon now, that let us go. Leave this.
Allow me to talk now. Once I open my mouth to talk to
you really treat Akim in this village as if he's a nobody. Do you know he's a guy every other girl is going to have in this village?
What you concern me? I love him. I know say I go marry him, no problem. But I don't want to show him say I love him. I be the thing. But I tell you, even if I leave him safe, you know if you get any babe waiting for this village, it will be like me. You don't know. I may be champion and I may be #1 for this village. You don't forget.
Babe, I envy you. See what I'm chasing is chasing you. You are even playing with it as if.
What did they chase? You they chase my guy?
No, it's not like that.
You draw that statement, I don't understand.
So, no, every girl in this village wants him. It's not like I do.
No,
I have eyes for someone else.
That one no be problem. See, make I tell you something. You no go fit get babe will be like me. And you see now say Lisa, and my sister too. Full package now will be.
Stay. You guys, when I go pass person, I no go don't greet person. Ekene nkit, unekene. See, today I'm go show una say me, when I go see who I be. This na Shakara, these two girls. Na Shakara body really don't too much. So they no one settle me, but today what else una so? If no one settle me today, una go no person when I be. Una go know why they call me Ken na nwa. Bo coin. Anu polonko na ejuon. Organize na nwa come for this whole village. Una there they pass me, no greet me. If no settle me today, na so I will do now. Boy, settle me fast. Marek more for you.
I see. You know what's happen. No, you never reach quarter now. No worry. Go settle you. I carry this to come and give us some money.
How you come now? Come on. Oh, baby, it's too much. Why you talk about it? Fine girl, correct baby. Mama, hi. You are. I get myself. Me na do am. No stay do now.
Polycarp Mbon, you said who sent you?
The river cleaning committee. They say that you do not partake in the cleaning of the river, and you must pay the fine of 500 naira.
500 naira. Polycarp Mbon, when you are coming here, are you aware you are coming to the house of Nurse Eliza?
Yes, I know. You are owing money, and you should pay. Else, I will seize anything I see here.
Yes. Okay. Wait here. Let me go and bring the money. I will pay 1,000 instead of 500. Inano? Just wait. I'm coming.
No say Lisa. Oh, no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection.
I will seize this thing if you don't bring any money. Better do fast, oh.
Polycarp Mbon! Hey, Polycarp Mbon! It's in the way of what I see. I don't fear more. Come and take the money. I'm not Pama. Idiot. Come on, I'll be not saying
Mama, why did you die this young now?
It's okay. Atuma, my mother died at the age of 96, almost 100 years. I don't think she died early.
But still, since you would have added another 100,
making it 196 years.
That is management debt. 196 is management. It's okay. I know why you people came. I know. I've already made provisions for that. I've already booked both of you on that day to be DJ and also the dancing at the day of our burial. You sound as if you know the reason we came, or that is the reason we came. We came to sympathize you. You don't know. You don't know what. You don't know Mama. You don't know your mother. If you know, even you know Mama, you will know that we did not come for. We just came to sympathize.
You are crying more than the bereaved. Oh, more question about that one, nebe. Oh, one of those she dry, oh, those she dry. You don't know your mother. I wish you know your mama. You would have known why we are crying.
I already told you.
Don't forget to come with a Gedege song and Egubo Amod. Do you hear me? Don't forget it at all, because you know my mother loved those songs so much. And for you, Wonder. Please, that very day, you're going to show them wonder. Do you hear me? And don't forget to come with that your war dance attire.
Okay. No problem. How's your Kengo? Actually, I am not here because of the business of the burial.
Why?
But if you insist, I must dance that day. I don't know. My new dance fee is now 2,500 naira. Only.
No
problem. If not because of fuel scarcity, why will I charge you? Why will I charge you over Mama's burial? Why are you good woman? You know, nobody even have from mother. You see what people pass through because of fuel. If not because of fuel scarcity, why will I charge you?
Bad economy.
Bad economy. So because of that, I will charge you only 3,000 naira. Only. In case you go to the bank to bring, put only 3,000. If you want to go to your room to bring the money, write only 3,000. It's okay. 3,000 is
That one is 3,500. No problem. I will make sure that I take care of that one.
I want to know why your sister Panka stole my son with apple.
You want to know?
Yes.
You want to know?
Yes. Because I can see you people behave like animals.
Yes. We behave like animals, okay?
Yes.
I will show you. I will teach you how animals behave.
You are animals.
Why are you running?
So, you were telling me you can handle this business very well. And be able to deliver 2,000 naira a day?
Bam. My name is Opanka. The only Opanka we dem get for this community. Talking I do. Anything I talk, I go do am. I go deliver.
In that case, go and bring your mother and father and then an Onyichi, an elder. We signed the agreement.
Mazi, you know say my papa and my mama don't die. And the only person when I get now, you know Nurse Eliza?
Nurse Eliza?
My sister.
Is your sister?
My sister, brother.
Nurse Eliza is like a government. Go and bring her. The deal is done. Let's start immediately. Go and bring her.
Do I need to go with it or
before the agreement or after agreement? Nurse Eliza, oh! Eziokwu. Nnekwa Nurse Eliza. Nnekwu ukwu ọcha. Nnekwu obejiri. Ka ejizi wee
do you know that? I didn't know you can do all this fake crying. I was just looking at you.
Thank you. It was surprised that I was crying.
I am telling you.
So you don't know that I can cry? I saw you crying and I followed suit. Don't forget you're my mentor.
You see, this is the reason you should know that anytime I go outside and tell people that Wonder is my boy, stop frowning. Most of the times when I say you are my boy, you frown your face as if don't frown anymore. Because this head you see is resting on my shoulder. It has a lot of content inside. So stop frowning your face. You understand? Also, Dikibe, do you know that I thank God well. I really thank God we got to the place early. Because if we had not gotten to the place that early, this record man, Nana, Ude, alias each time I forget the man's name, do you know what I used to remember his name with? Cassava. It
was also wisdom going there to do what you did to get the job.
I'm telling you. See, let us re-strategize. Let us rearrange our moves. Because it is not always good for us to always get there at the point of death or after death. Let us rewind back and go back to when the person is sick. When the person is sick, so that we will go and make our this thing. You understand? Most importantly, we should not, because each time we go after death or before death or at the point of death, it will be making people to feel that the reason we come to the place is because of our. We have to make it not known to people that the reason we come for all those condolence or come and cry there is because we need the job. No. Let us maintain secrecy. You understand? Let us maintain secrecy. Because
so that was that you'll be the one to be searching for people who are sick.
See, one important thing that people must not know. Let people not know our secret.
How would they know? Unless you'll be the one to tell them.
Am I mad?
Because you are my mentor.
Yes.
You tell them I'll follow suit.
Yeah.
Sister, if that is what you need to get the job, it's not massive. Just happy. Gardener. You don't need any elder or onyishe to get it. I alone is enough collateral, enough agreement in a hotel.
Correct girl. No say Lisa.
No to me.
No say Lisa.
Sister, to be me.
So you just say that one day okay?
Sister, let's leave it tomorrow. You get as tomorrow things they be.
But the guy talks to me, he come now.
If you go there now, the thing no go make sense. But if you reach there tomorrow, it go make sense now. Nah.
No say Lisa.
No to be a sister.
No say Lisa.
To be me.
No say Lisa.
When you shall be Igbo. To be me. Sister, no to me. Oh, do you not shall go kuno Buddha na nanso?
Okay. No say Lisa.
Let me tell you, sometimes if you want to pass information, if you want to tell somebody something, look at the person's face before you give information. You understand? You won't tell me, you won't tell me you are not in this village to know that I am #1 international DJ in Umabo. You speak as if you just returned from abroad, like you don't know that I'm the #1 DJ in Umabo here. You came telling me of one bicycle.
I understand. See, you're the only one that will help. I have a problem. Just that I need the money to settle my brother-in-law. And in this Umabo, you're the only one that is always with cash.
Mazigede, I don't even know. You said you came very certain that I will give you money, as if you know that I have money. Mazigede, the way you sound this thing, you sound. Let me tell you, the only way or the only time I make money is when people die. I go and play as a DJ. That is the only time I make money. Except you want to tell me that everybody in this village should die, so that I will go and play and make enough money for you to be coming anytime you come. I give you money. Also the key, it would have made sense if your bicycle is rally or even hack loose. Then I will start considering, or even mention something close to a lady's machine, or even CD 195. You did not mention. Your bicycle is not this hijack. Go get away pole. Because I didn't
see. That is the only one that I have. And I trust you.
Mazigede, thank you very much for the trust. Go and look for another person. I'm not interested in that bicycle.
Madam Okoye.
Come in. Hey! The one also. Boss, you're welcome.
Mazi, once again, I greet you.
Thank you. What do you want, madam? Is it well?
Oh, it's well, Mazi.
Okay. Oh, please sit down. Sit down. Hey, welcome. Yeah, I hope all is well.
My sister told me that you want to offer her your car as a driver and you need a guarantee. So I told her that I'm enough guarantee.
Wait up. So, she is your sister?
Of course.
Hey! I give her the job. I didn't know you had interest. If I had known since yesterday, I would have given her the job. Do you have the job?
Oh, thank you.
You have it?
Thank you. Mazi, babe. Now let's go inside and finish the agreement.
Okay. As if you knew I was going to suggest that. Hey! Oh!
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, if you're fine, then I'm fine.
Okay then.
Sorry, I feel like ask you something if to say time there.
Go on now, what is it?
You say me can ask you?
Ask me.
I go ask you.
Ask now, what?
I go ask you.
Ask now, I'm going no.
No verse, make I ask you, no verse. No verse. Make I ask you. Hey, make I go ask you. Hey. Sorry, please, it's your time up to 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. The time is very important to me. I want to know.
I only ask you of time. You know, hey! Hey!
Hey! Wonder what is wrong with you? Huh? You prepared yourself from the house to tell this girl how much you love her. You are here, you lost everything. No liver, no morale. Huh? For Christ's sake, what about doing with time? Get up in Nigeria with time. Get up in Nigeria with time. Hey! After all the planning, all the strategies, I've lost it. Hey! Hey!
Opakaka forward. So this is true. Hey. Opaka, do you know that the news has been all over the town? Anywhere you go, people say you now drive a car. I said, and I tell you, I can let the rich go.
Na true, what you hear, na true. This is my machine.
Thank
my
God.
machine don't come.
In fact, I need to sing a Christian song for you now.
No. Why you think that they call me Opama way? Yeah? They call me Opama way for nothing. My plan na to dey carry our people, they go Enugu, they go town, they come back. Forget say that time when they carry your bicycle, they impress me, say you get bicycle. You don't see on my machine. Yeah. Now let me be the happening chick where they stand. I may be the highest thing where they happen for this villa now. You know what I see? As I talk to you now, they wait for my passenger. Once you show, Enugu, coming back.
The thing is that it's just, it's nice, it's a good thing. Okay. Are you going to Enugu? No, oh, Mazi, no. Mazi, are you going to Enugu? Before I come. Because it's only when there is burial that we should see you. So, is there any burial in Enugu? I'm not going to work for you. Okay. Are you driving to Enugu? Oh, the motor is even confused.
Bye-bye. Now see you later.
So with all this my dressing, look at my latest DJ mixer transmitter. That's Jay-Z, Dr. Dre sent for me from America. This girl a woman. Look at my shoe that Michael Jackson will build for me before he died. No afro, all these things. Ha! It's alright. Ha! Well, I am going to go to the house now and remove all these things. Because all these boys, all these wuru are our boys. If they happen to see this thing, is we are not going. So let me go home, drop this thing, pull off my way-beat shoe from Michael Jackson, and then go and reason very, very well. Because this thing has gotten to my head. My medulla oblongata is no longer functional. I need to go home now. How? It's alright. Opanka, Opanka. It's alright, Opanka. Yeah. Atoma. As it is now, any way is a way. I cannot be in this village. Somebody will take away sugar from my mouth. I must do anything humanly possible to make sure that my happen.
My love.
Who's your love? What is it? What are you doing here?
I went to your house. They told me that you're here. That was why I came. My brother came from the city and he gave me money. I bought something for you, my love.
Your brother just came from the city and gave you money. Why are you announcing the arrival of your brother to me? Was I the person that sent your brother to the city to go and make money? What is my business with your brother coming back? What are you looking for? Why are you looking for me? Why? Makagin?
No, it's because I love you. That's why I bought something for you.
You love me. That is why you are looking for me.
Yes, sir.
It's alright. You see, let me tell you. You don't even need to tell me you love me. Because it is written all over you. You don't need to knock bell. You love me. Even your hairs, the hairs on your head tells love, 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 love. But do you know what? There is one problem. Yes, there is one problem. You know what the problem is? Your love touch light, the way you are channeling your love touch light, you're channeling it to the wrong direction. Because as you see me here and now, I have already channeled my love touch light to Opanka nwa na-enwu ọkụ, ugegbe nwa chara acha, chara ka akwụ, ofu nwa ọhaneze na-asị none unabiago. If you look at her as a man, she has every natural endowment that can come from heaven. Do you understand? That is where I have channeled my love touchlight on. Let me advise you properly. What you are going to do now. You know Mazi Sikaku. You know Mazi Sikaku. You are in this village now. You know him. Mazi Sikaku, the Pawine Tapa. You know that Mazi Sikaku lost his wife many years ago. Looking at you, I am seeing a perfect match between you and Mazi Sikaku. In case Mazi Sikaku, you don't like option 1, you would want to go for option 2. You see Okonta, the hunter, he can also be a good man for you. Why are you walking away from my suggestion? You're leaving. See, I know why you're leaving. You're leaving because you think that the DJ, you're going to pay for DJ. Don't worry, I will give you free offer. I will play for you from beginning to the end of the wedding. You understand? And I'm even going to bring my boy, Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy is going to dance wonderfully that very day. So you don't have to worry yourself. You say, BC, to come and tell me you love me. Did I tell you I was looking for love? If I look for love, if I need love, I know where to go and get love and not this other dimension. Came here to distract me in my reasoning as a man. In fact, the person that gave you this information that I'm here is going to be held liable and responsible for this stupid, useless act of love that you brought here. I don't even know where I stopped. Where was I? It's alright. Now, nobody in this village is good. I'm going to, even if it takes me to go to the whole burials in this village to make plenty money in order to buy an impressive thing to impress my Opankanwa, I am going to do it.
Who is that coming? Opankanwa. Mwana Bamamba. You're welcome. Fine. I hope my money is complete.
You know, say I never know the route well, so I know they agree go far. Make I no go lost with the motor. So I just they go within our area.
Opanka, agreement is agreement. Fulfill your own part. Agreement is agreement. Where's my money?
Nah, Siam.
How much?
Only 800. Now I know they inside. So manage 1,002.
Opanka, you don't call 800 only.
I no go far now.
You don't do that. Listen, be very careful. Agreement is agreement.
Agreement.
This business is started on a very clean note.
No problem.
Don't muddle it up, please.
No problem. Nah, just this one now. Sister, I go fetch up that way the job.
Don't you feel ashamed that you brought small money? You're talking about eating what?
Be fine man now. You're not supposed to vex.
Huh?
No vex.
Is this your behavior? Huh? You gonna have it. Hey! No say Lisa. Ewelu watcha. Bema obejili. Huh? No say Lisa. Ewelu watcha. Bema obejili.
Huh? Just look at it. It's all right. I'm going to be serious with these people. Yes.
Hey, sister, I can't have fun. Hope you're okay. No worry now. Now your first day be this. It's normal. Hope you save money. I be carry everything. Go give Mazi.
I decrease. Which kind of talk be that? Give me 1,000 to make manage you that one. I tell him say I don't know all the routes, so I just start making manage.
Sister, me. You don't know what happened today. Ha! As I go market, go buy something. Imagine that woman now walk open eyes for me, not say Lisa. Oh boy, as I bring out my mouth carry injection, I the woman take up. I can't drop and carry my things in jar.
And they tell you don't be small thing. They crazy. They don't know say Lisa again.
They won't try us for this village.
I won't go home me like this. I beg, arrange something.
Sister, your food there inside now. May you just go carry on now.
For once. May you serve your elder sister food.
Sister, now
once,
respect your elder sister. I
know be your maid.
Nah, I just try for you because say you go carry money come. If not for anything, I will try.
No say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary.
Bia? Are you people going to a funeral?
Yes, sir. Actually, we decided to, and then we said, we let us come to your house and entertain you and your sister.
Yes.
But now that we met you at this place, it's as if I think you're going out and your sister may not be around. So let us go and come back some other time when both of you will be together, so that the entertainment will go around.
Yeah, these village boys. My sister told me that she doesn't want anything to do with you people again. Do you understand? Now she has started driving taxi. She's no longer in your class. Do you get me? Agukukomuno, makinje, onoman. Akade kama.
Wonder. Let us as I talk to you now, the spirit of DJ has left me. Let us just go.
No. Atuma, that is where you are wrong. Huh? Don't forget that Mazio Keke said we should come and do a test run for him. Before he will give us money for the burial. It is proper we go there and do it. Let me tell you. As for Opa Kanwa, you have nothing to worry about. She's all yours. But now you get them.
Do you know, I have a problem. I don't even know why is it that each time God wants to butter somebody's bread, something from nowhere will come and put katakata. What is the meaning of this nonsense? I almost lost my DJ this thing.
Thank God you are back to your senses. Yeah?
Come, let us go back to our regalia. Let's not lose our this thing, okay?
Come, Ibe Shokitipo. Eh? Hey, I didn't know it was you.
Efe Puchagum, Fenatakwa. Hey! My darling, the only nurse recognized by Queen Elizabeth.
Ha! That was before Ndiro sent me from community hospital to animal hospital.
Yeah. See, in spite of everything, you are still the best. Though, as far as I'm concerned, you are still the best, whatever they say or do. Yes.
Now, Mazibe, how are you?
I'm okay. Okay, baby.
Mazibe, I don't like the way you chance my sister over money. I don't like it. She's suffering a lot over that old motor. Please, Mazibe, stop giving her pressure. Please.
Am I crazy to give her pressure? Right? At least because of you. I mean, I know what to do. Okay, let's forget about all that. I have something to tell you. In my house, yeah.
Hope it's something good, though.
Very, very.
Let's go.
Yes. Stop. Back where? Back. I said back. If you move. Back. Hurry up. Come from. Back where? Back. You don't do. Hold on. Madam, we dey call emblem.
Yeah? I'm waiting.
Emblem.
Who be that? Who the answer emblem?
Okay, you don't know the one with emblem. Local government emblem. Mobile advert emblem. Even car and radio emblem. All of them are emblems.
See, Oga, you get another thing where they forget.
Which one?
You get transport security emblem.
That one I follow.
Now my business. What to be emblem? What to concern me and them?
What did they talk like this?
You say?
Bless on I know well. Listen up, guys. I just said to police now.
Yeah.
And the police when I said to no tell me say get anybody whether they call emblem.
What you want concern police? Our work they different from police.
Madam, see, we don't want to hear that kind of thing. See, even look at see. You don't even get the sticker.
This thing where this woman they talk no follow.
See, if you don't agree here, we're going to go office now. And you go pay 30,000 naira.
Maybe so now, no be legit now.
But that's settled there, beg, yeah.
Go follow this man.
Wait first, wait. Make I settle this. Where they go? Come. I know they like this kind of
Madam, settle that. Madam, settle that.
Okay, now.
May I not sack me?
Try and make you see. The drive.
Settle them. We are definitely going to repeat this night vigil tomorrow.
Tomorrow I will come with another special anointing.
To break the waist and not the yoke.
No, so Lisa. Another special anointing.
ọcha bee obejiri na-ekwu ukwu ọcha na-ekwu obejiri n'ezie ukwu ma ebele ebe
You must fire the bomb bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We no like injection.
Madam, now we don't discharge all your passengers. We go settle with you now. Because if you no agree settle with us, go carry you go office. And from office, your case don't reach Abuja.
Abeg, wetin una want?
Wetin she talk?
If they ask wetin we want, tell them.
Wetin we want? See, make you register us now. Yes, because if we carry you go office now, you go pay more than the money we're supposed to pay that side. So, because of say, you're too beautiful lady, a fine woman, make you give us 25,000 naira.
If I give you 25,000 naira, go fit count am.
You mean I be just a talker?
If I give you 25,000 naira, go fit count am. See these local people.
You mean I'm
ordinary police wey carry gun wey dey for road na 200 naira na I give them. Una no even carry anything and I come dey collect 25,000 naira.
This woman, you don't even know wetin dey happen. Na so your teeth today, abi you chop kernel?
Na so my teeth dey. Which kind of rubbish be that?
Okay, for this thing wey you talk, our money now, you go give us 40,000 naira. And if you no give us, you go bring the owner of the motor.
Okay, now the owner want abi?
Bring and come.
Okay, no problem. I go send the owner, make him come collect the key for now. This one dey.
Carry am come. Don't forget our money.
Come on for here.
You mean they push me, Oga?
Never. See. I go come bring the owner come. The owner want the owner.
Okay, sorry. Sit down.
We'll tell him 25,000. You know one bring money. Now what we tell him 40,000, saying go bring the money.
That girl no get sense. There's another person, she will say, okay, I beg, when I collect 20,000 naira from me, or 15, 10,000 naira, quarter 5,000.
Wait till they tell you, say, if this money come, even for 2 weeks, if we no come this work, we no go worry.
Yes, now.
As she dey go so, she dey bring money come. Leave her.
What you go do now, Oga?
This motor go dey here. You know they go anywhere. Go wait for her until she will come.
Wonder, is it this today? This night, in fact, I'm going to close my case with Opanka this night. That's good, that's good. If I go to Opanka's house this night and she give me her usual no, you see that my penknife that I use in tightening the bolts, the nuts in my speaker and my radio, I will no longer use it for this thing. I will use it on myself. I will kill myself and end my case and then have peace of mind.
Tuma, I am saying no to that. It hasn't gotten to that. Listen, let me tell you. I am going to speak with my uncle Ikede to add his voice to the plea. If we should go with that high-powered delegation, I'm sure Opankanwa will say yes to you. Please don't try this at home. Don't try this.
It's all right. Opanka.
You see?
I just called you Opanka.
That is a time of confusion.
The girl confuses me. Anything about the girl drives me crazy. Wonder. It's not as if I am trying to disobey or dispute your this thing. Okay. See, let me assume that your suggestion is going to work. Because do you know the one that annoys me most? The one that breaks my head is that since she began to drive this car, as the first woman in this village is driving a car, this is how every man wants to marry her. All men, everybody, every man is coming. Will you marry me? Will you marry? I say, what is it? Let me tell you, Frank, I don't know why Frank is even wonder. I have to do everything humanly possible to make sure that Indiana from running on. Because if I allow this man with the way things are going, this people will collect this girl from my hand. In fact, if I did not marry this girl, I will kill myself. No. Except you want to tell me that you want to come for my burial and eat and drink.
Ottoman, like I said before, I'm going to speak with my uncle to come with us. But if by any means he says no to it, maybe he's busy or something like that happen, I'm sure he's not going to say no by giving us a gun. You know if you're getting me? At least that goat will go a long way to represent a whole lot of things. Okay. Yes.
You know
that goat will make Opankanwa to accept you.
Okay.
Say yes to Atoma.
Okay.
You can't just kill yourself because of a mere woman.
I'm happy for this thing you just said.
Oh yes.
I just pray. You know, you are the one who just said it too. Your uncle has not said it. So I pray that your uncle will accept it. And you know that one thing is to make a suggestion. The next thing is to, to pray over it. So as you've said it now, let me just go inside and pray over it. At least you've given me plenty strength now to pray. That's right. I know you are my friend. You've given me a small strength now.
Please lead the life of killing yourself.
I can do my PJs.
Hey, wait. See which they carry come oh. Now Lord say
the one where they carry cow injection.
Yes now. See, Oga. It's better than statement.
You still there?
Eh?
No, if I wait now. Hola. Come on. Stupid people. Hey, everything. If I can't collect money. Sister, how much you don't make today? I don't make any money, oh. Like this one I do. I don't make any money. As it's money when I come out from one checkpoint to another checkpoint. Hey, now while I just this money. As it be like this now, the only way make we just go home. Make we go cool our head. In fact, make we go chance that man so that you know go collect money from us. Go chance that man. Make we go quick.
You must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa. No say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment. We know like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa. No say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want
I hope my money is complete today.
Which money? Since morning now I dey with police people. Since morning, 90 people hold me kitibam. They no gree leave me. Even the small money where I be say I work, say 3,000 naira. Only 3K where they my hand they collect.
You are a liar! You are a liar. See, if you don't give me my money today, heavens will fall.
Let me have money.
Oh! Hey,
I tell you my mind though.
Hey!
See this way they do, I don't like them.
Bring the key and
I don't like them.
See, you wouldn't.
Elisa! Elisa!
My money is complete.
What is it? Why am I asking my I tell you for the matter, I say you just hold my waist like that.
No, Eliza, wait. You see, I thought the money.
Hey! I don't want to hear anything. She's not giving you fading today. Inano? She had a problem with the police and I was the one that bailed her. What is it now? What is it? See, let me tell you. We are taking this your Opokorombe home. Or to come and give me 5,000 that I used to pay her at Amiri police station. Sister, move this Opokorombe, let's go.
You know some of these guys, I know they like her.
Move this guy, let's go.
Sister, don't mind it. I haven't changed to my ways. He can't do anything.
Mama, I'm not smart to you. I'm not sure there will be any sister like you from this life again.
The same way there can never be any sister like you. Hence her parents died leaving us to survive. We make sure we survive.
Yes, sir.
Mana, how much you even make today?
4K. 4K.
You do okay?
You don't gotta ask me. I beg. See what would they do this man good? No good though.
Sister, let me tell you, any man that eats what is under the legs of a woman is under her control. See, it's better not to try it at all.
You know say, I did not want to talk that one before. So they carry this thing they give that old man.
No be waiting I call you this.
Shut up your mouth, you don't get respect. You say talk off my face. And the woman will chop under something, when they on that woman something. No cover eye, they talk am. You must cover eye, nose, everything they talk am. You chop something on that woman something. Give me my granite.
hope always will.
Nurse Eliza, I want to first of all beg you to forgive and forget all our differences. I have forgiven you as well. The reason why we came here is because of my friend, Atoma.
What about him?
Atoma came to me and said if your sister, Opanka, refuses to marry him this night, that he's going to kill himself. And I know you with a Chineke heart, with someone with Chineke heart, with a godly heart. You can't stay here and watch Atoma die. No, please. Huh? You go.
Sister? You go.
So now wait to come make on a carry goat come. You know they hear goat sound for that side. You know see cow, now goat. This goat will never chop belly food. Now I can't come here. Premature goat.
It is not just a goat. That is a pregnant goat. Once you accept to marry Atoma this night, I promise you, we are going to come with a cow. Not Igbo cow or Kwankandi Igbo. Hausa cow. Oh yes, please. Mr. Lisa, talk to your sister.
It's not my business. Talk to
Ope, if you don't value Atoma, I value him. His life is so precious. Please, accept him. Please. Please.
Me accept.
Make my statement very clear. It is Opanka who stole my money and my car. Not anybody, not Nurse Eliza. Is that clear?
So you are trying to tell me now, Nurse Eliza and the Opanka, her sister, now they gang up with other criminals, thief your car.
See, if you said that one, you are on your own. Do you understand? What I said is very simple. Listen to me again. It is only Opanka who stole my money and my car, not Nurse Eliza, not any other criminal. Is that clear?
Okay. Anybody will be, you must arrest them today.
Please forgive me. However, whichever way I have wronged you, please, I love you from the bottom of my heart. For you to know how much I love you, I had to leave my DJ work at this voice you're hearing. Is the Majo Koronko's burial ceremony. This thing. I am the DJ there. I had to leave my work to come and beg you. That is to tell you how much I love you. Please, a yes from you will go a long way. It will solve in a sweet preacher. In a sweet preacher. Oh, on your chabero wanna leave. Please forgive me. Just say yes, and I will become whatever thing I want to be. Oh, because I love you from the bottom of.
I'm here for you.
What? You're here for who? How many times have I warned you to stop interrupting me? How many times have I told you not to mention love where I am again? Especially when I'm talking to Opanka. You come here to tell me how much. Let me tell you, if you ever, anywhere, 1 pole, 1 mile close to me, mention love again, come and get out from here. You're calling me your love. Look at this nonsense. How many times have I warned you? Anytime you see me, don't come anywhere close to me. Especially when I'm talking to Opanka. You came here and spoiled my... Opanka, please forgive her. This girl, I'm sure she's possessed. She don't know what she's doing. Something is manipulating this girl that she does not know. Please, I want to beg you something. Maybe if you know any church that can take this girl to. No, church is very, very far. Just if you can continue giving me your love, if you can continue firing me your love, and I will continue becoming yours. I'm sure this girl will find her roots. So please, I am loving you. I know you know, this girl is bringing kata in my brain now. I no longer concentrate. Biko, just fire me, continue firing me your love, so that I will continue becoming yours. For one each other way, Oh Biko, Opanka, I'm begging you, please. Oh Opanka, Opa, Nka, how? Which name will I use again? No, Opanka City.
Atoma, I love you, die. I love you, and I go marry you. But may I go work first? Because the wine you say I don't love you, but at least I love you inside my heart. Passenger. Madam!
And again, okay, Ngwano. Alpha. And again, Enugu. Kedu nke ọ na-amụkwa na ama ajụ ya ma na gị Enugu ọ na-achakasị ya.
Opanka, I know say you dey here. Come out now, let me go and lock you up.
Yes.
Before you came here, did you ask or know who I am?
And who are you? And what can you do?
Who am I? You want to know who I am? You want to know what I can do? Okay now. Oga doctor! Oga she veterinary doctor! Oga Dakinta! Oh! Carry judgment. Take control. Why are you running now? Onyala mo. As for you, Masibe.
No say Lisa, your face is hard like stone.
Why you going to make a go arrest mad woman?
You are the person who is mad. Eh? I told you to go and arrest Opanka, not Nurse Eliza. Why did you do that? Eh? Are you dumb here? Are you deaf? Can't you see? Eh? Did she give you animal injection?
Oga, she no give me. I see one come, I wrong. I tell you, my two legs said they touch me for head. That's why they run. I need to look back.
Oh.
And they run.
Okay.
Very inefficient officer. Eh? Stand here, you stand the other place. Huh? Blind in the eye, deaf in the ear, dumb in the mouth. They tell you to do this one, you won't do it. Stand here, you go and stand there. Eh? Just thank your star, say, Fela know they are alive again. If say Fela they are alive, he will sing for you. Zombie, zombie, Joro Jara Joro. Zombie, zombie. Tell them to go straight, Joro Jara Joro. Tell them to go back, tell them to go front. That's how your work is. If I were in DPU, I would have sacked you by now. Huh? Inefficient officer in the police force. Zombie, zombie. Oh, hi! Look at what I have brought upon myself. Eh? These two ladies came around. I didn't know they came to destroy me. Eh? Look at what I was getting from the old driver. It would have been okay. But he was eating and giving me something tangible. Eh? Hey! Even me, Talk of the devil. Oh, please. I know why you are here. Any amount you have, give me. Give me. Don't talk too much.
Correct guy.
I don't care. Even
Correct
last night
guy.
was supposed to come, you didn't come. I don't want to consider that.
Hey.
Don't even come.
Ma,
Let
can't
me
I
have
give you
it. Let me have it. You can go. You can go. Go with your sister. Go.
Calm down.
Hey!
That's why they do it like this.
No, I did my iPod trouble upon myself. I don't think we'll have trouble there in Yagago Wokam. Let me go with Kuna. Oh, I can make the beer. Just imagine 400 naira from 2,000 naira down to 400. Eh?
Hey! Shebi Siam. Shebi say this motor no gree start. Shebi. I beg. Bring that money I give you first. Bring am inside repair this car. Bring the 400. Come out inside repair the car now. You know answer me. Shebi Siam.
The money is even meta sobe. Even meta sobe. Even meta sobe mo mo. Eh? You watch no say Eliza. E will go beje. Beje nkem. Watcha, Nikocha.
My daughter,
Now you are done with your school. I want you to go to my village, Umabo, and stay with my mother, Chinelo. I don't want you to live the kind of life that I live in this town.
Mom, doesn't mean I will live a village life after all the exposure I got and my education from the city?
Yes, my daughter. I want you to go to my village. Look for anybody, any fine man, get married to him. I will give you money, I will give you everything that you will need. Please, do this for me and my mother. For that is her last wish.
Since my father abandoned us and fled, I will grant this request of yours. I will make you and Granny proud, okay?
Thank you, my daughter. And I promise you, you will never regret it. Thank you very much.
Why are you stopping here?
What do you mean by that? With this your rainbow face? Who they ask all those kind of police questions? When you carry face like Adama masquerade, they ask me, you don't know the house again. The tree where you take know your house, they don't cut them. No, they ask me all those kind of questions. I know they go again.
Oh, you mean you don't know the house of Chinelo? Are you not from this village, dumbass?
Now only one Chinelo they get for this village. What is this? When you carry face like Adama masquerade, they follow me they talk. How you want to know the place? Where you don't, your face everywhere in a rainbow. They follow me they talk. I don't know the place. Call them, call another person, make carry you.
Start going to one of them. Start going there all. When I get to the house of my granny, I will know.
Me? Be going all houses. That one concern you. I don't go fit try. It is I don't get what I do with my life. I mean, call you from my motor. There they go.
Or better still, you can ask this local village walkabout here. Just ask him.
Hi. Opankanwa, are you okay?
I don't know. Come ask this masquerade where they start my motor. We carry face like a damn man look. Tell them say come down for my motor.
Are you busy yet?
Mama.
No say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, your face is hard like stone. That your middle big it dey enter bone. You dey shine for white and white, your uniform fine but your injection was past disease Your injection pain pass sickness No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection. No say Lisa, no say Lisa, no say Lisa, oh no say Lisa. Headache or sickness, you must fire the bomb. We want ordinary treatment, we no like injection.